Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or discussing with you HaloGrow Hair Growth Spray Anti-Loss Serum review. So, HaloGrow Hair Growth Spray is a topical hair serum designed to support thicker, fuller-looking hair by applying active ingredients directly to the scalp. Now, according to the official website here, the company support documentation, the formula contains biotin, caffeine, castor oil, aminexil, and Heshu Redex Polygony multi Flory, and the manufacturer says these ingredients are included to help nourish the scalp, strengthen the existing hair, and support healthier looking follicles, and improve the appearance of thinning hair over time. Now, that's according to them. Now, using HaloGrow here is quite straightforward. Now, the official instructions recommend applying the spray once daily directly to the scalp. Part your hair to expose the thinning areas. Spray the product onto the scalp rather than hair strands. Then gently massage it with your finger tips for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now, the company says it can be applied to either a slightly damp or dry scalp and may be left or rinse after about like 30 minutes, depending on your preference. Now, applying it after showering on a clean scalp is also recommended for better absorption. Now, according to the official website here, HaloGrow is intended for both men and women experiencing hair thinning. The company promotes the spray as an alternative to oral supplements by delivering its ingredients directly to the scalp. Now, as of this moment, the website frequently offers promotional bundle pricing and includes a 30-day money-back guarantee, although pricing may vary depending on your current or on the current promotion. But as of right now, one bottle of HaloGrow hairspray costs around $25.95. 2 packs and 3 packs are also available with around $42.85 and $55.95 respectively. So that's essentially how HaloGrow actually works. Now, since this is a health-related product, it's highly recommended to consult a doctor or dermatologist before using HaloGrow Hair Growth Spray, especially if you're experiencing significant hair loss, have the underlying scalp condition, or are currently using all the hair loss treatments, just to be on the safe side. And this applies for any kind of products or health products that you may be using in the future. But that's about it. So for this video, hopefully the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.